Hello, my name is Ever Ibarra Almaral and I'm going to talk about mastery number 4, I think. Let me just take a look. I don't know, mastery number 2, ability to create C++ project in IDE and run inside the IDE. And where is it? Importing and using C++ libraries. So it will be mastery number 2 and mastery number 13. So let's begin. First of all, we need to define what is an IDE. So let's define it. IDE stands for an integrated development environment. So as you can see, I was working with an editor like Atom and a compiler like Cygwin. So there are two separate things. So you create the code here and you just compile and run it in the terminal. So what an IDE does is take this to the terminal and the editor and put it together. So an IDE is an integration of the editor and the terminal, so you can run it inside the editor. So there are plenty of IDEs. So one of the most commons is deb C++. But there are many others, like for Mac there is Xcode, and there is another which is called CodePlug. Well, there are plenty of it. So you search for some IDE ideas. Well, and here is a blog about what is an IDE. It's in Spanish, and here are some IDE. The most common IDE for C++. It's like I download deb C++, but there are others like CodePlug, NetBeans, Eclipse C++, Visual Studio, MonoDevelop. But I think deb C++, deb C++, it's a good option to start for. So let's begin. First of all, we already download deb C++. We download from this link. It's totally free, so I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can take a look. So let's begin. Okay, you just say yes. Okay, so here what it looks like. It looks almost the same as the editor, only you have like more tools over here. So let's create a new file. Open. Open now. Create new file, source file. So let's save it first. Save it. Save as. I don't know, mastery 4.vp. Okay, so we write the code, hashtag include. Oh, sorry about that. Just let me. Okay, that's it. Hashtag include IOStream. And we are going to import some libraries like hashtag include CMAT. So we can use the functions that the CMAT has. So hashtag include. So we are going to create a program using namespace std, and then we add the in main for. We're going to create a program about the square roots, because a square root is a function which is imported through the CMAT library. So let's see. For in x equals to 1, I think. Yeah, x 11 x plus plus, and this the the square root of the number is x, and then you add the function squared x, what the fuck, x, and return 0. So that will be it. Let's run and compile it. Let's see if it works. Maybe it doesn't work because, well, maybe we did something wrong. Let's see what it is. Well, there is some kind of error, I think, or mistake, because I use return 0, which is not right. You don't need to return 0, you need to return something. So that's it. I think it's okay. And let's make a space here because to make a program pretty. Let's see if it runs. Yeah, that's it. We just misclick return 0 for some reason. Okay, so that's how you use CMAT, because if you don't use CMAT, look what happens. You know, the square function is the depth C++ doesn't recognize the square function, so you need to add CMAT. So we are going to create a new program. Let's see, file, new, source file. So let's just copy paste this. Wait a second, copy, paste, and we're going to name it mastery 442. Just a name. So in this file we are going to create a program which powers a number to a certain other number. Like if 2 to the 3 it's 8, 3 to the 2 it's 9. So let's explain that better with the code. It's in main, let's see, in main is float a equals to 0.0, count, enter a number, scene a, count the number to the power of 2 equals to pow a comma 2. So that's how you define it. Pow is the function for power. You powers a certain number to the expression next to it. Like in this case is 2. So let's do it with 3. And then number to the power of 3 equals 2 pow a comma 3. So in this case you need to return 0 because, well, so that the program will work. Let's see, this is not a 4, so you need to return 0. Oh, it may be for yeah, sure, I almost forgot. Yeah, Okay, so let's compile and run it. Let's see, enter a number 2. So that's how you use IDE with certain libraries. So in this case, I will leave the link to the DEP C++ program, and well, if you want to search more, please make a comment. If you want to, if you like my video, just leave a like. So that will be it for Mastery 4 and Mastery, I don't even know, Mastery 13, yeah.